Learning Box, how to create a course with AI Assist. Are you still spending much time creating online courses? Learning Box will help you save time. AI will generate an online course just by uploading a video or PDF file. You don't need to create quizzes nor set complicated settings from scratch. Let's see how it goes. On the dashboard, click on Contents. Click the plus button and select the courses with AI. Choose a use case. Then, upload a video or PDF file. Click on Generate. And AI starts generating a course. It may take time depending on the uploaded file size. A new course has been generated. Let's see the course structure. There are headings, quizzes, a PDF file, flashcards, and prerequisites. And even a questionnaire. Go back to Manage Contents. And select Groups to assign this course. Save the settings. Let's see how the generated course looks like. Go to Select a Course. Here it is. Click the course. You can see the first quiz, but cannot select the following content. Let's see the first quiz. Click the Start button. 30 questions have been generated this time. Also, the time limit for each question has automatically been set. This is my score for this quiz. Answering questions meets the condition for this quiz. And now I can select the next content. But another prerequisite is set for the next content. When you want to edit the content or settings, go to Manage Content and click the gear icon on each content. Select Edit. Tags were also automatically added for each question. According to the results by tags, you can see where learners are struggling or doing well. Let's check the score. Go to Analyze Scores on the side menu. Select the content and click on Analyze. You can see the specific data for each question. On the Summary by Tag, tags set in each question are utilized. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.